some of you. Oh, yes, I do. So for those of you who may have missed my last video, just a little recap. I had a moment of insanity where I felt like my house was closing in on me. It was looking too cluttered. It was making me feel anxious. So I decided to switch 3 rooms around. I snapped in this little noggin and I just did it. So now that you know what happened in my last video, let me tell you something that also happened. So see this vignette behind me? Let's just say sometimes we don't necessarily see things that others see, which leads me to my next thought. You guys, you see what you've done? You didn't know you were gonna do this, but oh, you've done it all right. So you're probably asking yourself, Liz, what did we do? What did we do? Oh, I'll tell you what you did. So Wednesday afternoon, just after I posted my video, I don't know, maybe a few hours after posting it, my husband came out of his office and he said, oh, hey, did you get your video posted? I said, yeah, I did. And he said, well, what's wrong? All right, how are the comments? I said, well. I said, you know that vignette I did in the dining room? He goes, oh, I don't think I saw it yet because I've been working. I said, well, some people are saying my vignette looks like Mickey Mouse. And he said, what? He says, I gotta go see this. And so I sat in the sunroom waiting for him to come back and I hear him laughing, hysterically laughing. Thanks a lot, you guys. Now, when you guys mentioned that, I literally came in here and stood back and I thought, I don't see it. I don't see it. But then after hubby was laughing hysterically and drew attention to this room, I had to come see it for myself. And I stood back. See, there are the ears. There's the face. That's what people were seeing. Mickey Mouse. So now, thanks to you guys, it's a standing joke in the family. Now, when people come by, they're like, Mom, I was looking at your Mickey Mouse vignette. They're even using my terminology. Hey, Mom, nice Mickey Mouse display. Hey, Mom, nice farmhouse Mickey Mouse. The moral of the story is sometimes we have to laugh at ourselves. And it does somewhat resemble Mickey Mouse. Springtime Mickey Mouse, that's what I'm calling it. But I like it. I like springtime Mickey Mouse, so I'm leaving it. So you guys know I'm being humorous. I love your comments. I just had to share because I thought it was funny. So what can I tell you about this room before we get into everything? Well, before we moved into this house, we had purchased a brand new dining room set with a darker wood color. And little did we know that this room was gonna be on the darker side, primarily because our garage extends outward and shades this side of the house. So with the darker wood colors and decor and everything, it was just looking dreary. So my thought was, why not bring in the kitchen dining room set, which is white, it has white chairs and everything, bring in this white piece. I thought to myself, would it then not look brighter and cheerier? Well, it worked. So if you're looking for an elegant, classy looking dining room, this is not for you. This is for all you people out there that are laid back and informal people like us. So when you walk in here, I wanted it to have a French country farmhouse cozy feel. So when I look at it, to me, it just feels very homey. Now, if you guys have been following me, you've already seen this. Pretty much everything on here was purchased at the Copper Cricket consignment store. I got the baker's rack, and pretty much all of the decor from there, and I threw it all together. The only thing different is I added a clock, and that was from an antique store, and I added that yesterday, but that's what it looks like. Over here on this table, I kept it very simplistic for me. And I just added this floral arrangement that I made. This was a DIY. And then I added a candle and a cute little lantern with a bunny in it. And that's it, and done. So I elevated this floral arrangement because I wanted it to look big in the window. And then I added this cute candle holder. I think it's a lotus candle holder with a LED candle in there. And then I added this lamp with this very interesting shade. And then over here, I added this cute lantern with a little bunny in it. Now above me, you will see my hanging ladder. Let's take a look at it. Number one, what a fun piece to add in any home, because you can decorate it seasonally and change out your florals and greenery with the seasons. Looking over here, you can see that I've added a big arched mirror, and here's my table set. And above that is my hanging ladder with a chandelier. Fun. Now, up on top of my ladder, I have curly willow branches cascading off the ladder. You may see them there. And then I also have different greenery pieces mixed in. I've got some little white flowers. You might be able to see them up there, kind of draping off the side and mixed in with yellow flowers as well, which gives it a fun springtime look. And if I wanted to, I could carry it on into summer. Now up top, I've got a cute little chicken that I picked up on Amazon. I'll link it in the description box below. And beside my chicken, I have a cute little hurricane lamp. It's sort of a little primitive country piece. And then moving over here, I've got a basket full of wildflowers. Perfect for spring or summer. And then moving down, I've got my chandelier. Now on the table for my centerpiece, I simply added this wreath that I purchased from Amazon. And then I got my cute little rooster that my daughters bought me from Home Goods recently, and I just put him as my centerpiece. I kept the tablescape super simple. I just have some placemats from Ross and these plates and bowls from Hobby Lobby. And then I added these cute little pillows just to lighten the space up. And then over here, I added these cute pictures that I got from Hobby Lobby. I just put a little basket and a little wall shelf. And then right here, I've got a lantern, a wreath behind it. Here's a cute little rooster with ivy. And oops, he got turned. I just have a little bow and a tray. I've got a lantern, some book boxes, and some greenery. And down here, I've got a hen with some greenery. And then walking over here, you guys have already seen this. This is the vignette we worked on the other day. The only difference is I added these two shutters, and I kind of angled them just to give it a different look. And so yeah, that's what I did. I think it turned out pretty cute. And then right there in this corner right here, I just have a candle holder with a vase and a floral arrangement, just to add a little more texture there in the corner. And really that's it. And I wish that I could have shared the sneak peek of the two other rooms that I did, but the whole family's up. The kids are in the kitchen making breakfast. They've got their breakfast stuff out, and I thought, you know what, I can do that next week. So look forward to that on Monday. I think you're gonna like it. So now I'm gonna jump into a quick video tour of the whole room so you can see the whole space, and then I'll close this one out. story is not every dining room has to be elegant and classy and formal. You can do cute, cozy, practical, and functional and still have it look pretty. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and spending time with me today. And I will see you guys Monday. Have a wonderful weekend. I'm praying for all of you, your family, your friends, and loved ones. Stay safe and healthy. And I will see you guys Monday. Mwah! Bye, guys.